Hi, I'm Brian Johnson from Innovative Tools and Technology. Today I'm here with Michael Ostergaard. He's a manufacturer rep from a new line of products that we're going to be carrying, the Scangrip color match system. Well, Michael, if you could you tell us a little bit about the new light system that Scangrip has?
Surely I can. So what we have made is we have made a range of 3 work lights which all have color match properties. So we have a small match pen, and we have a sun match, and we have our big multi-match.
Well, Michael, if you could you tell me a little bit about the new color match pen?
The match pen is made so it's a very easy to carry product. So besides having the properties for color matching, the pen can be used, for instance, for swirl mark finding, for finding of the pinholes, and it has some great other features to it as well.
Okay, and then that takes just AAA batteries?
Just 2 plain AAA batteries powers it, so, and you have about 2 hours of operating time on a fresh set of batteries.
All right, and then this is shock resistant?
That's the benefit of the LED technology, is that it's shock resistant. So and you can actually use it as a small practical lamp, not just for the color matching, but for any kind of small, you can say, job where you need a light.
Okay.
So
when you talk about color matching, you had another pen you wanted to show me the difference.
Yes.
The CRI, the color rendering index. Could you talk a little bit more about that?
The thing about creating light for color matching is about creating a light which have a very similar light to sunlight. And the color rendering index of a sun is 100. And with the LEDs we fit to our lamps, we have a CRI value of 95. So if I should explain a little bit about the temperature of the color, then I have actually a sample with me, which gives you a comparison between the Kelvin temperature of 6,000, which is actually this type of light,
okay,
and the color match pen has a Kelvin number of 4,000 Kelvin. So, so the colors are much easier recognized using a warmer light with a high CRI value. So.
And you said these also has the ability to focus the lens?
They have a focus function, so you just pull it at the front end, and this way you can actually concentrate the light even more. So, and this is important because some people have the need to have light intensity which is much higher than others, and therefore instead of having to move the pen back and forth, you just use the focus function for that feature.
Okay, so I've stopped by some of our shops that have your products, and the first person in the shop to grab that was the detailer. He said he had it with him all the time. He loved just pulling it out of his pocket, checking just gaps in small areas on the paint job for basically a buffing compound that may have got in there, and just a quick check for swirl marks if he's in the polishing process. So he absolutely loved it. But then this works great for, I mean, the painter can have this in his pocket pretty much all the time. An estimator, anytime he needs to look at damage on a car, it's a nice inspection light.
It is.
And how long does the batteries last on this again?
The last for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, set of fresh batteries.
That's full power steady.
That's full power steady.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, great. That wraps up the color match pen from Scangrip.